me? Am I the drama? Hello, Chi-Chi here. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a little, I guess a Thanksgiving look, holiday look, Thanksgiving is the first holiday up, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I wanna wear something green, so I'm grabbing my Milk Cosmetics Gemini palette. Haven't really played in this, but oh my gosh, it's already so smashed. Look at that. Eesh. Off top, if y'all hear my fan, I apologize in advance because my heat is kicking out like project heat. It is scorching in here and my window is wide open and it's just not doing anything, so sorry. But it's either melting makeup or cool makeup, and I'm pretty sure you want cool makeup. I do too. So we're doing a little green looky look, so I think I'm gonna dive right into Mochi. I decided I was gonna do this look because there's one of two girls during Thanksgiving. You're either the person just coming and looking cute, or you're gonna be the person who I'm gonna be, which is just cooking the food and not giving a damn about what you look like. So that will be me. Yeah, my Thanksgiving is going to be the same as most of my Thanksgivings. It's gonna be me and my guy, and probably his brother and his daughters. Well, his brother's daughters, which will be his nieces, okay? Make sure I bring that color all the way into the inner quanta. I actually dig this color, because you don't see it too often. Like, look at that, that's pretty sickly. I'm gonna go into Fire OG, that's right next to it. Kind of just working myself down this entire palette. So if you're new here, hi, welcome, subscribe, fill it out a little bit. But my OG subscribers also, hey girl, what's up? They know that I only like 5 or 6 things on my plate every Thanksgiving. Ham, macaroni and cheese, seafood stuffing, green beans, cran in the can, because I like my cranberry sauce, and 1 deviled egg with a shrimp on it. That's it. That is all your girl wants. It always turns into a thing because my guy, he ends up wanting extras, things that we can always have throughout the year. So this year, he wants lasagna. 2 dishes that we always eat. Well, not always. Let me take that back. We don't always eat lasagna. Let me stop. But lamb, we always eat. So he wants to do that. He wants me to bake brownies, and I'm just like, I think I want to do a halo. Let's go for it. Let's do a halo. But that's what he wants, and I'm just like, okay, fine, I'll do that. And that's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully he doesn't add any more to the list, but I know him. There will be other things added. I'm just trying to mentally prepare myself to not get frustrated, because I get very, very frustrated when the plans change. I'm trying to, woosah my life. Maybe that's what I need to do. Get some Fire OG and just have a wonderful Thanksgiving that way. When I dip into the pan, I don't pick up a lot. I really just pick up like 1 dab and just build, because these are such dark colors. You don't want to go too heavy on it. So just pick up a little bit, see how the water is. I want to deepen it more. I think I'm gonna go a little ham. You see the difference? Whew, see that difference? Jeez. And just a little bit with Mochi, just dusting the edges so I don't lose that yellowish green. I'm gonna pick up Leo. That's that 3rd shade. No, I'm sorry, 4th shade. Ooh, she is crumbles. Hold on. See, that just crumbled all the way on me. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Shit, I've had this palette for so long, like this Leo shade kind of broke in the palette. Damn. Damn. My ultimate goal for Thanksgiving is to actually go away. I would love to just be on a beach somewhere drinking a cocktail and just not even have to deal with the festivities that is Thanksgiving. Hopefully one day that will happen for me. But let me know what some of y'all Thanksgiving plans are, you know. Some of y'all might be watching this during Thanksgiving, getting ready with me. Some of y'all might be actually still waiting on the food. It's already, you know, 3 o'clock. Some of y'all might be on your 3rd plate. I don't know. But let me know what's up with your Thanksgiving. I just like to keep going back and forth because I really don't want to lose this yellowy tinge that I got going on. Kind of want to be a risk taker. Kind of want to go in with Bonnie, which is the black shade. This may either go really, really good or really, really bad. So, wait for you, girl. I'm just gonna pop her right here. Ooh, she black. Oh yeah, that's what I want. I think I'm gonna throw a tiny bit here too. Why not? It's Thanksgiving. Yeah, you gotta be careful with black. This could have went all the way left. I'm trying not to really talk too much because I'm not trying to mess this up. We've come too far, darling. We've come too far. This is when you can really appreciate a pencil brush because it gets the job done like a pencil and you really can sketch it in. And I want this to look a little bit on the more dramatic side. Not too dramatic, but I do want to have the feeling of busting up through, you know, the Thanksgiving dinner like, am I the drama? Yes, my eyeshadow is the drama. Just taking my time with Bonnie because I don't want this to turn black. Probably going to go back in with one of the other greens because I feel like I'm losing it just a little bit. Fire OG. At least in the front part. Just to kind of blend out that Bonnie shade. I'm feeling it right now. I'm feeling it. So, do I want to use concealer? I do want to use concealer. I'm not gonna fuck with this white because y'all know I be using this and it be coming out. It's too like soft and liquidy. I think I'm gonna go for my NARS concealer. Got a little too overzealous over there. It's a little too wide, but hey, we're here now. This is the tale of 2 different eyes starring me. This is what I wanted. This is what I got. Oh boy, but it's cool. We're gonna fix that up. Don't you worry. We are going to fix you. Fix you. I can fix you. I'm gonna go into the 3rd shade, which is Goals. This is so crumbly. Oh my gosh. It's fine though. It is fine. We will work it out. It's like a little Christmas tree right in the middle of my eye. Just going with Fire OG and blending out the sides because I did not. See, this is why I don't do my makeup, my face makeup before. But I just wanna blend all of this out. Fire OG. Are you not moving? You're gonna move, bitch. You're gonna move inward and you're gonna like it. So I have one of 2 things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna either take all this off, not take it all off, but do a little makeup remover or just blend my heart out. So first option we're gonna do is blend my heart out. I shouldn't have put Goals down so wide if I knew I was gonna do this. Like, that was just bad decision making on my part. I admit that. Smoking out the window. Oh my god, I love Anderson .Paak. Like, I feel like he don't get enough credit. Like, everybody's talking about, oh, Bruno, Bruno, Bruno. No, Anderson, that's my guy. He's been doing this, you know what I mean? I'm just happy that he's getting a little bit more mainstream. But I've been rocking with him since Malibu. I should have been Ventura, but you know, I was late to that party. But if you haven't listened to any of Anderson's stuff, I highly recommend it because he's just so good, so freaking talented. He plays the drums and he's just all around amazing. Oh, I kind of saved that, didn't I? Look at me. Saving stuff. Yeah, so we're just gonna continue to blend the edges with this lovely Fire OG shade. The Silk Sonic album is pretty good. There were a couple of songs where I was just like, no, but all 3 of the songs that they came out with, I loved. They actually did go on tour together when they had their own projects. I think it was a 24 karat tour, and I wanted to go to that because I love Bruno, but I didn't want to go see him. I wanted to go see Anderson because I thought he was just a dope entertainer, and I wanted to see him, and I regretted not going. But now with this whole Silk Sonic situation, I'm like, what that tour looking like, you know? Because that's what sis wants to see. Going back in with a little bit of Leo, just on this outer corner. It's funny how you'll make a mistake and then start loving that eye, and the other one just doesn't follow suit. Going back to Silk Sonic real quick, that was the most powerful bitch I have heard since Rick James. Like, oh my, I wasn't expecting it. So when he just was like, this got me, I felt that in my soul. He was talking to me. I was like, oh, I'm sorry, you want a refund? Okay, I think I'm gonna stop messing with this now because I don't want to ruin what I've created. Even though I feel like, was this palette patchy? Because I feel like stuff is running away in this corner. Even though I've been building forever. I don't know. Like, I can't remember the reviews for this palette. Weird, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna stop right here and just work on my face. I probably will just speed through this because I'm not using anything new. I'm gonna pop on some Hydro Grip Primer, my favorite of 2021, which has been the Huda Beauty GloWish foundation mixed with the matte foundation. Next up, I gotta take, you know, Born This Way, the OG, the one I love and adore. And then we're gonna go in with Makeup by Mario. I'm just blending out that concealer with a tiny Real Techniques brush. Just setting with a little bit of La Mercier. Don't bake, but I'm gonna add a little bit more under my eyes because we gotta still do under our eye. And I don't want that shit falling on my face. So we're gonna just take FENTY. I'm gonna push my wig back. Oh, girl. You know what? I haven't used Mented in a long time. Let's do Mented Cosmetics. This is Vacay. Pushing this thing in my cheekbone. Push, push. You got to push. Come on, push. You got to push till you get it right. You don't know the song? You too young. I want big smoke. So we're just gonna pop Mochi right under here. And I'm probably gonna bring it down pretty far, right under my bag. That's how far I'm bringing Mochi down. I want this to be like really, really like fat smoky. A little tinier brush with Fire OG. Put that right at my, just right under my lash line. I just want to tap that in. And I might bring this, maybe, yeah, I might bring it all the way in. Actually, no, I'm lying. Maybe about 3/4 of the way. I think this is exactly what I had envisioned in my mind. This is everything that I wanted. I need one more brush. I need a really, really tiny something. I need something. Going into the smudge brush in Leo and get this right on my lash line. Just bouncing off right there. Point Made liner. That's right in the waterline. And I'm gonna go over it with a little bit more of that Bonnie just to set it in there. Just dusting a little bit with that Mochi and a tiny bit of Fire OG just on the outer. Smoke it All right, do I want to do anything more? It's a little bit messy up over here, but it's fine. It looks great on camera though. That's fine. That is fine with me. It's not perfectly even, but that's what we're gonna deal with. This might be a Mykonos lash kind of day. Mykonos or Miami? We're gonna go Miami because I don't want it too heavy, but I want a little something there. Okay, I just ripped my lashes, so we're gonna go Mykonos then. God decided for me. For the lips, I am going to keep it on the pinker side because it's very complimentary. So I'm gonna go in with my Pat McGrath pencil in Supernatural. And right on top, I'm just gonna go in with Mented Cosmetics Pretty in Pink lipstick. And here's the final look. I ended up going in with ColourPop BFF3 on the edges. I just needed a little bit more brown just to balance out everything. And I think the lip color turned out really well. So this is how I won't be looking for Thanksgiving, but it's a nice little something if you want to bring the drama to your Thanksgiving dinner without being dramatic. But have a fantastic Thanksgiving, Christmas, fall, whenever you watch it. Have a great day. Check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.